Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Sheikh, my mother is physically ill and my father is also old. He cannot care for my mother or manage the household works. We are two brothers with no sisters and we cannot afford to hire a caregiver. Is it permissible in Islam for sons to provide physical care for my mother?
Is it permissible for who?
For us, like sons, for give physical care to the mother.
The norm is that your mom should be taken care of by a female, whether it's her daughter, whether it's her mahram female like a niece, a granddaughter, whether it's one of your wives, if you have wives living there, so the daughters-in-law would take care of her. If you are totally unable to provide such a female to take care of her, and your father is unable to do this, then it becomes an obligation upon one of you to do this while wearing gloves and avoiding looking at her awrah to the best of your ability, and may Allah reward you for that and make a way out for you. We do not have an authentic hadith of multiplying the good deeds, meaning if I pay 1 riyal, I will get 100 or 700 riyals. Generally speaking, deeds are more preferred in Ramadan than other months because of the blessed time. For example, the Prophet said, ﷺ, performing Umrah in Ramadan is equivalent to performing Hajj. This is the authentic hadith. Some people say equivalent to performing Hajj with me, the Prophet of Allah, and this is not authentic. So be careful. So one Umrah is equivalent to Hajj. Wow, that's a great reward only in Ramadan. Also, we know that Laylatul Qadr is better than 1,000 months. And this is equivalent to 80 plus years, because Allah Azza wa Jal knew that we are weak and vulnerable and that we are not able to do a lot of good deeds. So He substituted us with this blessed night. And if we do good deeds, but can we say that if I give my zakat in Ramadan, it is multiplied? No. If I offer this or that, I can multiply it. We need evidence, and we don't have authentic evidence. But definitely, the Salaf used to consider doing good deeds in Ramadan much more rewardable than anything else, and Allah knows best.